Peter, what's something that you wish more people knew about the maintenance and reliability space?
I wish they knew what a challenging and rewarding career it can be. There's so much focus in our school systems and our primary education to push people towards colleges, and it's a great path for some, but not for all. And there are some great careers involved in the technical fields that can be sought through other means of secondary education. And it's really an exciting, a fast-paced, a challenging career path for someone who likes to work under pressure, for someone who likes to be detail-oriented. It really takes all different types of personality traits to round out a full maintenance team. So for people who find themselves more technically inclined, liking to work with their hands, it's just such a fantastic career path.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And for you, how many years has it been working in this industry?
Let's see, 2005. So,
14
yeah,
years.
14 years or so.
Going strong, huh?
They're about.